Okay, hi everyone, welcome to this video today on Cisco Packet Trace. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to set up a network offense environment, but the network is going to be blended. It's going to be a mix of structured cabling and a wireless network. So let's go and we'll show you how it's done. So click on Physical, Home City, Corporate Office. You zoom out, click on the main wiring closet, click here, click there. Now we want to put it in our copper patch panel. So we'll move that up there if we can. Okay. Next, I want to put in a switch. And then I want to put in our server. So I want to go back here to logical and I want to connect the server and the switch together. Physical, okay. Now click back, click here. And sorry, now we'll click on our copper wall mount. We'll put in two, one here, one there, and we're going to put in another one here. So what I want to do now is I want to wire this up to the patch panel in the server room. So click here, click on patch panel, punch down one, two, and punch down four. Now we'll click back in here to our wiring closet. I want to zoom in and we're going to connect this up to the switch. So what I want to do next now is before I wire up the rest of it, I just want to set the IP address here for our server. So our desktop, so we'll set the IP address as 192.168.0.2. Our subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. And the default gateway will be 192.168.0.1. And next we want to go to services, DHCP. Default gateway will be 192.168.0.1. And our starting IP address will be 192.168.0.3 for DHCP. We click save and we click on. And we click this button back and we'll wire up this patch panel next. Or yeah, sorry, this wall mount, I mean. Next, we'll wire this up. Hold here. Right, next I'm going to click back and I want to wire this one up. This one now we'll only be using one cable because we'll be connecting our router to this or wireless access point, so you'll see that in a couple of minutes. I'm going to connect that one up. Now, next we want to add a couple of computers here. Next, we'll connect these up. 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 Next, we'll connect these up Now we want to set the IP addresses. We go click on desktop and we'll be going DHCP. So if it fails, click on static and click on DHCP again. Okay, we'll try that one more time. And you see it was successful. So it just takes a minute or two. So I'll do the same for these ones. Okay, and now we're going to add a few PCs here. I'll add 4. Now we'll connect these up. Now we'll set the IP address for these machines via DHCP, which is Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Okay, so we'll just click on DHCP again. Okay, click on static and back DHCP. And you can see there the request was successful. We got an IP address of 192.168.0.7, and we'll do the same for the rest here. Okay, so the IP address here is 192.168.0.9, and our last computer here, which will be, so our last IP address here is 192.168.0.10. So for the next part of the video, I want to add in a wireless router. So we'll click here, connect this up. And what I want to do next is I want to set the IP address for the router. So we click GUI here. So the IP address will be 192.168.11, and our IP address lease will be 192.168.0.12 for DHCP, and we click on save. Then we click on config, we click on wireless, and we're going to set the password. And we're going to set the password as Ireland 21. Okay. And next we want to I'm going to add 4 laptops. And each of them will be connected wirelessly, but we'll have to swap out the Ethernet card for a wireless card. So we'll do that now. So we click here off and click here and click on. Now we click on desktop and we click on PC wireless, click on connect, and we type in our password. Sorry, just give me a second here. Ireland 21 and hit connect, and we're connected. And we'll do the same for these last 3. Turn off, click our power button off, replace it, put in our wireless cards, click on desktop, click PC wireless, click on connect, wait for our wireless network to show up and click on connect. And we'll type in our password again. And we click on connect. And we'll do the same for the final 2. Click here on connect, wait for our wireless network to show up. We click connect and we type in our password to join the network. And we click connect. And we do the same with this final one. So we click on physical, click off button, click on, click desktop, click PC wireless, click on connect, and we hit connect and we put in our password. Just 2-1 and we hit connect. So let's see if we can ping the server. So we go ping 192.168.0.2. And you can see we were able to ping the server. And let's see if we can ping one of the client machines. So we go ping 192.168.0.4. And we received a ping from one of the client machines that's wired into the network. So this was a video showing a structured wired network with 4 computers with a blended wireless network with 4 laptops connected wirelessly. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. So if you like listening, please consider like, sharing and subscribing. Thank you.